Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. Today's session is what is Boolean and we have to know about Boolean arithmetic operators. What is Boolean? The Boolean data type is either true or false. In Python, Boolean variables are defined by the truth and false keywords. It means if any statement is truth or false or nothing else, and the truth or false must be the first letter should be capitals, otherwise that should be give some error. We have to give some heading. Boolean, shift enter, and give some value like a equal to 10 and b equals to 10. So a equals to b. It should be true or not. Shift enter. It should be true. T should be in capitals. We have to check true is a boolean operator or not. Capital A is equal to true. T value should be in capital. And the next thing I want to type capital A. It's a boolean operator. I want to do a small letter like capital B equals to TRUE, true. Shift enter. And name true is not defined. It should be give some error. Next, Boolean arithmetic operators. OR. OR is an operator which should be the given value should be either or not, and the A is equal to true and B is equal to false, and we have to check OR function A or B. If OR function should be says gives any value should be in true, then automatically print it will be true. A should be true, B should be false, but the answer should be true. And the next operator is AND. We'll check it. We have already A value should be true and B value should be false. Check A and B. The results will be false. And here AND function should be added function, like A and B both are true, then it will be true. We will check it. C is equal to true and A and C, it gives true. Same, the next one is not A is false. It means A is true. Not means the negative value should be the given this. A is true, not A is false. Not B is true, not C is false. The next one equal to equivalent. A value is 20 and the B value 10. Shift enter and A equal to B. If A not equal to B, then it will show false. If C equals to 20. Then capital A equal to capital C will show the truth. Then the next one, Boolean arithmetic operators table. Here the table is given A and B values: true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. And not function is against to A, not function B is against to B. Equal value should be both or equals, it should be equal, otherwise it will be false. And not equals, it should be against to equals equals. And our function should be A and B. If anyone have true, it will be true. A true true, true true. B true, true. The both are false, it should be false. And our function must and should be both are true, it will be true. Otherwise, if anything, anybody, anything have true, then onwards should be not equals to true. And both are false, it should be false. In this method, we have to check a given value should be integer, string, or what kind of data type it will have. Let's check. We have a q value is 200. Then a q comma an integer. Let's check. It's true. If I want to change, it should be string. It shows some false, like w value should be string quad t. Then print is instance, like w comma int, it will give false. And change its string, it will true. We have to check a greater than or less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to values also. And we have to know A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. Capital A less than, greater than, B, I mean capital B, shift enter, it should be true. And capital A is capital B, it should be give some false. I want to know B value is 20 and A value should be 20 and B value should be 20. A greater than and equal B, what it be the results which will come? True. Why? The is equal is here. And A less than or equal to B, it will also true. And we have to type true, just it completes and the gives some green color. And false also some green color. It means the false and true values are keywords in the Python. Subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you.